Are you ready to take your pickleball game to the next level? Whether you're just starting out or looking to upgrade from that basic paddle, choosing the right equipment can make all the difference on the court. Today we're diving into the 5 best pickleball paddles you can get on Amazon, covering everything from budget-friendly options to premium performance paddles. Links to all products are in the description. Check for the latest prices. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more honest reviews that help you make the best buying decision. Our first pick is the Ben Johns Joola Hyperion CFS 16mm, which consistently ranks as one of the top-rated paddles available on Amazon. This paddle features carbon friction surface technology with an advanced Carbon Flex 5 textured surface that delivers exceptional spin generation. The arrow curve design reduces drag and improves swing speed, something you'll notice immediately during gameplay. What really sets this paddle apart is its perforated anti-slip ridge grip and elongated handle, which provides excellent shock absorption and makes it ideal for two-handed shots. The carbon-forged handle adds both power and comfort, while the Hyperform edge wall increases stability and enhances the sweet spot significantly. The specially tuned reactive honeycomb core ensures consistent bounce, which is crucial for precise shot placement. Players consistently praise this paddle for having one of the best sweet spots and pop of any paddle in its class. While it's positioned as a premium option, many consider it an excellent value compared to other high-end paddles with similar performance characteristics. Next, we have Vatic Pro Prism Flash Paddle, which has earned a reputation as one of the most recommended paddles for players looking to step up their game. This paddle is frequently mentioned by experienced players as the best bang for your buck in the intermediate to advanced paddle category. Available in both 14mm and 16mm versions, the 14mm provides incredible power, while the 16mm offers superior control and spin generation. The carbon fiber construction delivers excellent durability and performance that will last you through countless games. What makes this paddle particularly appealing is its versatility. It performs well for players with different playing styles and skill levels. The paddle features a hybrid shape that provides a good balance of reach and control, making it suitable for both aggressive net play and defensive baseline shots. Players consistently report that this paddle helps improve their game immediately, with better ball control and more consistent power delivery. The build quality is exceptional for the price point, and many players note that it feels much more expensive than it actually costs. At number 3, we have SLK Halo Paddle, which represents outstanding value in the pickleball paddle market and has earned high ratings from players across all skill levels. This paddle was previously priced much higher, but has become more accessible while maintaining its excellent performance characteristics. The SLK Halo features a well-balanced design that appeals to players who want a reliable, consistent paddle without breaking the bank. The paddle construction provides good power generation while maintaining excellent control, making it suitable for both new players and those with more experience. What sets the Halo apart is its forgiveness. Even off-center hits tend to perform reasonably well, which is crucial for developing players who are still working on their consistency. The grip is comfortable for extended play sessions, and the paddle's weight distribution feels natural in hand. Players appreciate that this paddle doesn't require a significant adjustment period when switching from other paddles. The durability is also noteworthy, with many players reporting that their Halo paddles have held up well through extensive use and various playing conditions. At number 4, we have HISK Rav Pro, which offers impressive technology and performance at a very competitive price point. This paddle features a thermoformed construction with carbon fiber surface, putting it in the same category as much more expensive paddles. The hybrid shape design provides excellent versatility for different playing styles, while the 5.5-inch handle with narrow taper allows for comfortable two-handed backhands. The 16mm thickness strikes an excellent balance between power and control, making it suitable for players who want to improve their precision without sacrificing too much power. What makes this paddle particularly attractive is that it comes with a paddle cover, which is often sold separately with other brands. The carbon fiber surface provides excellent spin generation, allowing players to put more spin on their shots for better control and strategic play. Players report that the paddle has a solid feel with good feedback, helping them understand how well they're hitting the ball. The edge guard protection helps extend the paddle's lifespan, and the overall construction quality rivals paddles that cost significantly more. Our budget pick is the PBVMURTG carbon fiber paddle, which offers remarkable value for players who want advanced materials without the premium price. Despite the unusual brand name, this paddle delivers genuine carbon fiber construction at a fraction of the cost of name-brand alternatives. What's particularly impressive is that this paddle comes as a complete package, including a paddle cover, grip tape, and even a carbon fiber cleaning bar. The performance rivals much more expensive paddles, with players reporting excellent control and spin generation. The paddle has earned positive feedback from players who were skeptical about the low price, but were pleasantly surprised by the quality and performance. The carbon fiber face provides excellent durability, and the textured surface allows for good ball grip and spin generation. While it may not have the same brand recognition as premium paddles, the actual playing experience is remarkably similar to paddles costing significantly more. This makes it an excellent choice for new players who want to experience carbon fiber performance without the major investment, or for experienced players who want a backup paddle that won't disappoint. So there you have it. 5 fantastic pickleball paddles available on Amazon that cover every budget and skill level. If you're looking for premium performance, the Ben Johns Joola Hyperion CFS offers professional level quality. For the best overall value, the Vatic Pro Prism Flash continues to be a favorite among serious players. All of these paddles have earned their spots through consistent positive feedback from real players. Links to all these paddles are in the description below. Make sure to check for current pricing and availability. Like this video if it helped you make a decision, subscribe for more honest gear reviews, and drop a comment letting us know which paddle caught your attention or if you have experience with any of these models. Your feedback helps other players make informed decisions too.